Hi, I am Carefree and this channel is about hula hooping. This video is a fourth and final video of our Carefree hula hooping tutorial series under the hashtag hula hoop is joy, and this is exactly the message that I want to transmit to you through these videos. That hula hooping, beside all of its benefits that you can find on my website, on my channel, etc., is pure joy, and you can enjoy it and feel like a kid playing with it while working out, while achieving all the skills and benefits. Okay, so in today's video what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all the three videos that we've learned, all the tutorials that we've learned in the past 3 weeks, into one combo, into one combination of tricks. And at first I had this idea, why don't I show you various combinations so that you can play with it? And then I thought, hey, come on, why would I take it away from you? It's your imagination and your creativity time now. So I will show you only one combination today, and then you can try to transform it, maybe change the order of the tricks. If you'll have any questions, leave them in the comment below, maybe they might be helpful to the others as well, or contact me via any possible way. There is so many of them, all of these links in the description, okay? So you can also find a shorter form of these tutorials, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, under Carefree TV, okay? So if you need a super quick recap without talking, just to see and remember how it was, then jump into the shorts, okay? So as you can see, I've prepared both of the hula hoops that I've been using in the tutorials to show it to you that it is possible to perform all the tricks and the transitions with any hoop. Okay, so let's do the job. First, let's take a look at the combo. How does it look like? I will explain it piece by piece, then repeat it several times so that you can see how it looks like in a real-time motion. And then I will give you additional hints and tips in the resume part of this video. Okay, so grab your hoop, place it on the lower back, begin with waist hooping, enter the iso lift, spinning the same direction as your hoop, go up and down, changing the direction of your waist spin, then catch and follow in the other direction, go up, drop the hoop down in front of you, enter the hand spin, play a little with prayer hands, change of hand, prayer hands, change of hand, and enter the weave and jump through. So basically that's it. Let's do it a little faster in a real-time motion so that you can see how it all goes together. So waist hooping, iso lift, stop, spinning the other direction, following the hoop up, drop it down, hand spin, prayer hands, hand spin, prayer hands, hand spin, weave, weave, jump through. And it's the end, okay? So as you can see, it can be quite dynamic, and if you feel it already, you can add some additional turns of your body, jump a little, maybe dance a little, and make your hand more flexible and more free in the movement, okay? So one last time, let's begin from waist hooping, entering the iso lift, up, down, change direction, following the hoop the other direction, drop down, enter the hand spin, prayer hands, the other hand, prayer hands, the other hand, weave, weave, jump through, and weave. Okay, let me give you some hints and tips on this one. As you could have seen, it was slightly faster than in the tutorials, and it wasn't like piece by piece, step by step, take it gentle. It was already more dynamic, and try to go this direction, try to push some life into it, okay? Now I will try to perform it with the smaller hoop, which I think is gonna be better for the general combo, because you won't be killing your hand with, big amount of hand spin. So The big hoop might also serve you. However, the lighter hoop for this kind of, transformation, fast movements is always better. Okay, so I will place the hoop on waist hooping, iso lift, changing the direction, going down, change direction, follow the hoop up, drop it down, hand spin, prayer hands, hand spin, prayer hands, hand spin, weave, 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 jump through and weave. Okay? The quantity of the movements, of the tricks, of the repetition is not so important in the beginning, okay? So if you need to stay a while longer in the hand spin to prepare yourself to enter the prayer hands, and again exit, and again enter, then give yourself this time. No one is rushing you. It's not like you have to do everything at once, okay? So hints and tips, try to be not too much focused on understanding the tricks. Try to let it go with each time. I know, in the beginning, especially if it's something totally for new, it might sound a little abstract. How not to think about tricks? What is she talking about? But really, try to lose this concentration and just enter the tricks, you know? You will see after a while what I'm talking about, okay? Then, go into this funky dancing mode. So, going up with the iso lift them up. And again, it was even too funky. And again, lift them up, drop them down, and they begin the hand spin, okay? So make it pleasurable, enjoy it, and, just give it a live mode. All right, I really hope you liked it. Write me a comment below, how is your progress, and if you were able to do it from the first time, or maybe it took a while to master it, okay? If you like this kind of combos, and if I should produce more of these series, and yeah, do the stuff that I always ask you for. So like this video, leave me a comment, I love them, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date and get notifications about all these type of videos, okay? So I see you next Tuesday in the next video. I hope you really liked it. It was a pleasure to guide you through this series.